Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to do the usual unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Now you can see guys, I know what's in here because I can see, look at that. It's a air fryer. It's called, Tower air fryer. It's amazing. Let's open guys. So this is easily open because there is
Sure.
that's what I thought. I thought it's easily open, but it turns out it's not. There. So it's open. I have to stand up. Oh, another one here. Oh dear. There. Okay. Now I think it's done. Wait. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at this. There is a booklet. This is what I want when I get something like this. Uy, anak! Oh my god! I got buttery fingers. Okay, let's take this out. Oh dear. That is the thing. Let's put it there, guys. Oh, it's deep. Look at that. So I'll put it here so you can see it. So this is from Argos, guys.
Argos.
Argos. So let's put it like that.
Argos it.
Yeah, so my husband Argos it. So let's take this and let's take this out. So okay. Let's have a look. Okay. So at first, let's see the booklet. So that's how it works. So that is the one. So I have to open. Oh, 1 second, guys. I have to show you the booklet. So it's a straightforward thing. So just the safety information, how to use, setting tables, things. So it's straightforward. So now let's think, because this one is there something thing here. Oh, like that. And here, see, like that, guys.
So it doesn't
So
come out in transit.
yeah, so this thing, what do you call this?
Drawer.
The tray, the drawer. Oh,
Careful not to turn it upside down
yeah.
in case something falls
So
out.
it's good because it's quite deep. So we can put see, there's something in it. We can put what do you call that? Chips, enough for one person.
Yeah, it is only a small one.
Yeah, so this is the thing.
Yeah, you put that at the bottom. So if there's any fat, it drains
Also, it drains the oil.
into the pan to make it healthier. And also it doesn't stick on the bottom.
Yeah, so it's like that because in here, guys, there is it's embossed a bit. So when you put this, it doesn't go straight in the bottom. So it goes there. So there is a gap.
Should be a gap.
There is a gap in underneath. So I think that is very good. So I'm happy for that. And then also there is a filament up here.
Any filament on the bottom?
No,
Yeah.
there's no filament in the bottom. It's only up here.
And there should be a fan in there
So
somewhere.
let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4 coil. So yeah, I think so. There is a fan. Hello, baby. So there is a fan at the back because of this. There
Yeah.
is a
It's an
ventilator.
air fryer.
Yeah.
So it's the fan that circulates the air.
Yeah, that's why. Oh yes, that's right. So the
You
air
don't
goes
need
out
to
there,
put oil.
in and out. So these are the temperature. Can you zoom in, Dana? So these are the temperature. There are 10 settings temperature. So we have to read the instruction.
Simple.
How are these?
1 minute to 30 minutes.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It says there's 10. Oh, yeah, 10,
1
20,
minute to
30.
30 minutes.
Oh, see, so
And the top
here,
is the heat. What do you call it?
oh, so the temperature.
Yeah, that's the timer.
This is
Sorry.
the timer.
That's
And
the
that's
timer,
the
that's the temperature.
temperature.
That's it. And that's it. There's nothing digital on this, which is what I like.
Oh, so it's
I don't
very...
like the digital ones because
Yeah.
they tend to break down more easily. The digital
Really?
ones, they can go wrong.
Rather than this manual
This is just
thing.
simple.
So it's very straightforward.
Yeah.
So like that.
It's similar to our mini oven.
How do you put it?
Push it in.
There, you have to push it
clicks.
gently until you hear the sound of a click. Clicky click. Click. Clicky click. Clicky click. Okay, so but this one cannot open, so it's only here that can open.
Simple as that.
So what else you can put here? If you put burger, the burger, if it's a very tiny for children's burger,
Yeah,
very
that's the only
tiny,
thing.
you can put maybe like 3. But if it's just burger for an adult, it's only 1.
Yeah, if it's a big one.
Yeah, because look, it's just the burger bun is
But
like
I'm sure burgers are nicer when they are fried
when they are
rather than air fried, because air frying is not frying at all.
So I wonder if there's
It's more or less the same as doing it in a fan oven,
yeah.
but it should be a little bit quicker. It says 30% quicker.
Yeah.
If
And
it's
also
true.
here there is a maximum, so you can put till the brim. So here there is a maximum thing.
Yeah,
in
but
there.
the
So
more you put, the longer it will take to cook, and it might not cook
yeah,
properly.
I think it's better to cook when it's
It's
just
best to
level,
put just one level,
just
one
level,
layer.
1 layer. Yeah. So for maximum effectiveness,
Yeah.
or else it takes
Otherwise, it's
time.
going to take time. It probably won't cook properly.
Yeah. So and also there's a thing here. I think these are from air. I think coming out as well. So the air, because it doesn't go in there.
We have to read the
To
instruction
keep.
book.
I think there's the air goes in here to keep the handle cold. I think it doesn't get warm. So there's air goes in there. See, there's a air in there. Because in here it's closed, and it's closed there as well, and it's closed, so it must be this to keep the handle cold. So it's nice. I like it. Oh, I
It's
can't
only
wait
a
to use
simple,
it.
small one.
It just is
Fairly cheap, £30.
yeah, it's just interesting how it works.
Just wanted to try it, and it's 1,000 watts.
Yeah.
The wattage.
Yeah, so let's see this, guys.
Because the bigger they are, the more electricity they use.
Oh yeah, of course. So you can use chips, chicken fillet, drumstick. Oh, you can roast as well, roasting, and you can grill and baking. I didn't know that you can bake in air fryer.
Yeah, apparently.
So let's try that in the future. Let's see. Oh, so look at that. Oh, so look at the chips. They put it till the brim. And then maybe halfway through cooking, and then take it out, and then shake it, flip it,
Yeah.
turn it, so
Yeah.
it will be cooked evenly.
When it comes to chips, I prefer to use our microwave and the McCain microchips.
Yeah.
That's far
Then,
quicker, so
so
you
it's
use up
easy.
less electricity,
Mm-hmm.
and they taste nice as well.
Oh. So it is, you can only use 1% of oil, less oil, and cooks 30% faster than the conventional.
If it's true.
Oh my gosh, our baby. Hello, baby. Say hello. Say hello. Oh, you want to help Mama unboxing.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I know where you're going. He had his favorite spot. He got his
Yeah.
own chair.
It's thrown.
Yeah, he's the only one who sit in there. No one else. Also, the air, it circulates like that.
We have to read the instruction
Yeah.
properly and then try it out with something.
Yeah, we will definitely will do the review for this when we first use it. Then we have to make a video of it. All right, baby.
And
You
it says you
agree?
can have a 3-year guarantee if you register it with
I don't
the
think
company
so.
tower.
I don't think you should bother.
We'll see anyway.
Because it's only it's cheap. It's good if it's a bit pricey. Then you should register. So when if something's wrong happen, then they can change it
Yeah.
for another brand
If
new,
it
isn't
takes
it?
time.
But if it's like this, then if it's ruined, then you have to send it back, and then they give you another one.
Probably.
Yeah, well, don't think about about the breaking. So let's be hopeful that it works, even though it's cheap, but it's reliable.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I wanted. So I'm so happy for this. Okay, guys. So there's another one more unboxing, and that is connected with this. So this is the unboxing. Let's see. Okay, open. Yeah.
Open sesame.
Let's open. Oh, so this is the thing. Let's look at that, guys. It's a cookbook, especially for this tower air fryer. Oh yeah, so it's the same picture because that's the one.
Yeah, it's supposed to be
Yeah, so
specifically
that's the
for that
one.
model.
Oh, so it's good, guys.
That
Look
was-
at that. We got idea now what to cook. Let's see, guys. Which one you want us to cook first? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one? So this is the fillet of fish. No. Is it fish or chicken fillet? I don't know. This is the burger. I'm sure this is burger.
Anything else on the back?
Yeah.
No.
So this. Let's see how many pages are there. So there's a lot of pages, guys. So this is the back, that is the index, the recipe index, and that is 140. Oh, 111.
No pictures.
So until 112. So this the recipe is 109 pages. Isn't that amazing, guys? It's a lot. Traditional pot roast.
No pictures in there.
Let's see if there's a picture.
Give it a quick look.
No.
That's a shame.
Yeah, because if they put pictures, darling, then maybe it will not enough space. So in this case, they will put more instructions.
And that was £10. The book.
£10 for this.
I think it's too expensive
Oh, so
for
you
what
can
it is.
meatloaf as well, potato salad.
Does it give the timings and the
Baked potato.
temperature settings
Yeah,
and
there
the
is.
amounts?
400 Fahrenheit. 4 minutes. 40 minutes. 10 ounces each, things like
Yeah.
that. So it's a 400 Fahrenheit.
That's the American.
Yeah, so I think around 200. Is it 200? Is it?
What does it say on the setting here?
This is 300.
That's centigrade.
200. Yeah, so in here in UK it's 200.
Centigrade.
Yeah,
So,
centigrade. So it's like starts from 0 to 100 and then up to 200. So in American it's 300. Oh, there's a 390 Fahrenheit.
it's a shame they didn't do it in
Maybe there is
centigrade.
because it says here the UK.
Mm.
UK tower. So I'm expecting that is the UK measurement and UK temperature.
And they used to use Fahrenheit here as well before, maybe that's why. We have to
Yeah.
find the conversion table
Yeah.
somewhere.
Let's see if there's a conversion. There is no conversion. So we have to find the
We can ask Google.
Yeah, we can Google it. So I don't think they put the conversion in here. So we have to find it ourselves. Because in here these are the thing, but it didn't say. Yeah, but the thing here is UK temperature, and why in here it's American temperature. Well, it doesn't matter because we know anyway. If we find that in Google, then we will just write it down, put it here, so we'll see, so we know what. So that's it. I'm so happy. So this is the cookbook, and this is the tower air fryer. Thank you so much, guys, for unboxing with us, and see you on our next video. Thank you. Ta-da! Love, love, love.